Hello everyone. So today we're back with another swatch video, and we are doing an old video that I filmed back in, I would say, beginning of December because of the set I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure I did that set Thanksgiving weekend or Thanksgiving week. So it had to have been for December. So this video was filmed back in December. That's why I have winter nails. And I am swatching the rest of the Dip and Dap powder collection that I bought. I believe this is the ones that I didn't have to complete the entire collection. And so as you can see the powder. I actually put the name and number on the screen as well. And then I'm showing you the swatches. And so, yeah. So this video, like I said, it was an oldie. It was filmed in the winter time. And I decided recently, as I was home sick and not being able to work because of my hands, I decided to, as I was feeling better, I decided to go ahead and edit some of the videos I had for a long time and didn't upload. And so that's what we're doing today. We're doing a whole bunch of voiceovers for these videos that I edited, and we are scheduling them onto YouTube, and hopefully you'll get quite a bit of videos. Recently I did also purchase some items from other brands, and so I filmed some of those videos as well. I did film some videos for IGTV, and so that's going to be another thing I'm going to be doing. And I think I'm going to be doing that for some of the shorter videos, like the smaller hauls, probably do that. And then do a big haul video with all of collective haul for all of the small orders for my YouTube. So that's the thing I've been thinking about. I'm not 100% sure, but that's the plan. I did get some indie brands, sort of like smaller brands. I got some from Allure Nails PR. I got some from Desires. Oh my God, what was the name? Got Desires something. That's another small brand. Desires Glam System. That's the one. Then I also got some from Melody Nail Systems, not to be confused with Melody Zuzi. Let me verify that that's the name, which I think it is. I just made an order with them recently. I got some colors from them, some colors from Allure Nails PR, and some items from Desires Glam Systems. And that's what I'm trying to get. Other brands that are not super popular, and some brands that are very popular. And I just want to see I did get the entire collection for Valentino, the pigment collection for Valentino Beauty Pure. And that's a very hype up brand. So I wanted to try it to see how I feel about it. I do have still tones products that I need to swatch and make a video of it. What else do I have? I want to try nail polish. There's a bunch of brands that I want to try, but at the same time, it's just me, and of course, I have to buy all of these products and then I swatch them for you guys. But I like to also use them on clients to make sure that they work good and then, you know, that I like their consistency or whatever. And the best way for me to try that is to actually try it on clients. And so, having not been working as much lately, I haven't been able to do as much as I want to. And of course, I haven't been buying as much as I want to, because if I don't bring in the money, how am I going to spend it? So, anyhow, so I've been thinking about other brands that I want to try. I want to try model ones. What else? I have thought about Kiara Sky here and there. Not, I don't know, something. I have a lot of Glam and Glitz powders, and I don't care for them very much. So something about that Kiara Sky brand, which is the same family. I mean, it's the same. I think they're like the same company. Something about doing that. I don't know. Anyhow, there is quite a few brands out there that I would like to try and show you all. So that's what I'm going to be doing little by little. Like I said, I did get the entire pigment collection from Valentino. I am working with that right now, trying it and using it and all of that. And so then I will try the ones I told you about earlier. And there's going to be a collective haul to show you all of those things and then swatch them for you. All right, so yeah, now I'm going to leave you with this video. Hopefully you like these swatches. Oh, that color is so beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. Anyway, so yeah, I don't have much else to say. That one is pretty too. I don't think I don't use a lot of the glitter colors, to be honest with you. This is an old video and I used most of these colors a few times already, but the glitter ones I don't use very often, to be honest with you. I do use that mermaid collection and the mermaid collection and no, not diamond. What is the other one called? Didn't I just do a video of that? I think that was a video that was up before this one. It's a diamond. Yeah, I think it is diamond. The diamond collection and the mermaid collection. Maybe. I think so. I don't know, but those two collections I do, those glitter collections I do use. I also got the chrome, the holographic chrome collection. That one's pretty too. So I do have a lot of I do use a lot of, I think I have all of their collections as of right now, the powder collections. If not, I think I have a few that are on the way that I didn't get before, and I think I just got from this sale that I was telling you about. So yeah, I think I got 2 collections from that. That was the last 2 I didn't have. And I am on my way to have all of the collections from their gel polish as well. Especially the smaller collections. I don't have the DD that matches these powders entirely. and I don't have the eye match either. The entire thing. I have some colors, but I don't have the entire thing. Anyway, so yep, look at that green. That's a very pretty green. Yeah, so I am going to let you watch the rest of the video and keep keep an eye out for all of these videos coming up. I do have some of me working as well. I'm going to start doing those videos as well, because these videos are very popular. They do get a lot of watch and a lot of views and everything, and that's nice. I love that. But I also want to share how I use the products on actual clients, so, or myself, or my mother-in-law, or my sister-in-law, or my family members. So I do want to be able to show you how I use the products, not just show you the swatches on a pretty pretty towel like I always do. So if you want to come back to see all of the other swatch videos and all of the hauls I have coming up, and I do have a lot of them, I ask you to hit that bell to get notified when I upload. I always do announce the uploads on my social media as well. And if you're not following me on my social media, all of my links are down below. Also, I have an Amazon link to my Amazon storefront, and there I do have products that I use in my studio and products that I use on my clients. So that's something that can help you too. If you do want, there is going to be a link down below for everything, all of my social media. Just make sure that you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and come back and see the rest of the videos. Go check the rest of the swatches that I have for this line. I have the entire line now after this one, and I also have other collections that they have. And so yeah, I thank you so very much for coming back, for watching my videos, for taking the time to sit down and watch these. I really enjoy filming, and now that I have a little bit more time to actually edit them and voice over them and all of that, I really, really appreciate that you're taking the time to watch. I thank you, and I hope to see you here for my next video too. So thank you.